In feed production, particle size might seem like a small detail, but it has a major impact on animal performance, pellet quality, and overall mill efficiency. Welcome to Ask the Expert, where we answer common questions about size reduction and material processing. Today, we're focusing on feed production and why getting particle size right is critical.
Why is particle size so important in feed production?
Particle size directly affects how animals digest feed. If particles are too large, nutrients aren't fully absorbed. If they're too fine, it can impact gut health and even reduce intake. From a production standpoint, particle size also plays a big role in pellet quality, conditioning, and overall system efficiency.
What happens when particle size is inconsistent?
Inconsistent particle size creates a ripple effect across the entire operation. You can see issues like poor pellet durability, increased fines, and inefficient conditioning. It also makes it harder to maintain a stable process, which can drive up energy use and reduce throughput. Consistency is really the key to maintaining both product quality and operational efficiency.
How does size reduction impact pellet quality?
Uniform particle size allows for better conditioning and binding during pelleting. When your grind is consistent, you get stronger pellets, fewer fines, and better overall durability. That translates to less waste and better performance from the feed.
What are common mistakes in feed grinding?
One of the most common mistakes is focusing only on throughput without considering particle size consistency. Another is using equipment that isn't optimized for the specific material or application. Different grains and formulations require different approaches. At the end of the day, it's not just about grinding, it's about grinding correctly.
How does CSE Bliss approach feed size reduction?
At CSE Bliss, we focus on maximizing throughput per horsepower, while still delivering a consistent uniform particle size. Our hammer mills are engineered to get more work done with less energy. Features like precision balanced rotors and a full circle screen design increase material contact and grinding efficiency, so you're not wasting horsepower. What that means for feed producers is higher capacity, lower energy costs per ton, and a consistent grind that supports better pellet quality. The bottom line is this: particle size plays a critical role in feed quality, animal performance, and mill efficiency. When you get particle size right, everything downstream, from conditioning to pelleting, works better, and that's where the real gains happen.